This isn't your average shop class. It's where some cowboy creativity and some serious horsepower come to action. Let's take a look at what's going on with Cowboy Motorsports.
For me, Cowboy Motorsports is a great club to apply hands-on learning experience that I have in the classroom.
We're tasked with building a $20,000 tractor every single year from scratch. We're given an engine and 2 back tires, design and build everything else ourselves. So it really teaches our members hands-on skills like problem solving, thinking through the design process, and then being able to justify those decisions in the long run to the judges at the competition.
All right, we're back at it with Oklahoma State University.
This quarter-scale tractor student competition is held in Peoria, Illinois.
So today we're going to be working on our 2025 tractor. So we've got our frame sitting right beside us, and we'll start putting our components on it. Primarily starting with the engine, and then our electric motor controller and electric motor, and hopefully start getting that wired together.
So the competition is kind of 3 stages. There is a static design day where we go through and we give a presentation on the tractor and we answer questions on a variety of different areas about it.
We get into maneuverability and durability, so how well we can maneuver the machine, and then durability, we drive in a big circle over a bunch of speed bumps and hope it doesn't fall apart. So that's kind of the pinnacle of the competition, is being able to pull that sled out of the barn.
Cowboy Motorsports goes beyond the competition and engages with the Stillwater community through outreach events.
A few weekends ago, we did a community outreach event that we call a lawnmower clinic. It's basically where people can sign up to get their lawnmower picked up or drop it off at the biosystem shop here on campus. And we basically do a full service on it, blades sharpened, all of that sort of deal. And people really rave about that event. They love it in Stillwater because they don't have to get their mower ready for the summertime.
This year's very exciting, having the 8 that we do currently helping, which I know is really small for most clubs, but for us it's pretty huge. And being that most of them are new freshman members, it's been great to show them the skills, teach them things, and ultimately just show them how to build a tractor from scratch.
Yeah, it's a smaller club, and so there's a lot of opportunity to grow in your skills out here. Every single week when it comes down to close to competition, we're out here building, and so if you've never done any welding, never done any wiring, this is a great place to dive into some of those things where maybe you wouldn't have gotten that opportunity before.
And so we shifted to that type of focus, and I think it really helped our members realize that this club will teach me anything I want to know. Even if they don't know it, they'll learn it to teach me. And so we adapted that mentality, and that's something I want to share with everybody else, is that we're open to all majors. I know most people think it's an engineering club. We're not. Yes, we do a lot of engineering stuff, but if you don't know something, we'll teach it to you, and you can always adapt those skills outward to another career or professional field.
For more information on Cowboy Motorsports, go to campuslink.okstate.edu.